Petty theft is common in major cities around the world. According to recent numbers, 400,000 pickpocket incidents occur every day around the world, and these are just the reported numbers. In the metro, a lot of commuters use this goofy way of wearing day bags in the front to outsmart the pickpockets. As a solution to this, the Dutch award-winning brand XT Design has come up with a revolutionary zero-entry anti-theft backpack. Different from normal bags, its genius lies in its unique rear-open structure with hidden zipper fully fitted into your back. In addition to that, high-density and lightweight materials have been added into the fabric, which protects your bag from being slashed or crushed. As a powerful weapon against this backpack comes with a dozen of edge-cutting features like anti-theft, cut-proof, water-resistant, weight balance, night security, USB external charging, etc. How thoughtful! Have you ever imagined being cuddled by a bag 12 hours a day? Our man Sven, 28 years old, like many office workers, he spends 2 hours on the metro every day. Arriving at the ticket barriers, he's already way ahead of others. 3 hidden pockets have been specially designed for quick access to small items. Super convenient. Inside the subway station, he feels safe and secure. The backpack's unique anti-theft feature is reflected in the design. The zipper pulls to the main compartment are completely hidden against your back, leaving nothing but the puzzles to thieves. No wonder he appears so relaxed. Now it's time for work. He starts to prepare for his day. Impressive, thanks to the multi-divider structure, this small bag has ample storage on the inside and so organized. Isn't that cool? To help you combat the uncertainties, this bag is also spill and stain resistant. Your bag will look brand new. Just wipe it with a cloth. The back panels are made of mesh construction breathable material, ergonomically designed to bring you extra comfort while you wear your bag all day. Since the weight leans firmly against your back, weight is distributed more evenly, and your back will feel 20% lighter than traditional backpacks. Watch out, you may become addicted to it. After a long day, is your mobile phone running on just one bar? No need to panic. Simply connect the phone to the external charging port. No need to take out your power bank from inside. So easy.